Friday and it's time for our wrap up. Today we are at Floyd's 1921 restaurant in downtown Morehead City with Jason Ure, the general manager. Good morning, Jason.
Good morning, Kat.
And good morning, Trisha.
Good morning, Catherine. We're delighted to be here, Jason.
Absolutely. Thank you for being on me as well, Tricia.
Our pleasure.
Jason, give us a little rundown about what Floyd's is all about.
We're about Southern home cooking, Southern feel-good food, but also we have a component where we like to elevate things and bring great, I don't want to say fancy food, but Floyd creates wonderful culinary creations with the help of Chef Pascal in the kitchen for us to enjoy.
Wonderful. Top chef.
And
Top chef.
the new chef, Pascal,
Yes.
is he French person?
He is from Paris, France.
Wow.
He is a Michelin star chef. He is the real deal.
This past Sunday, we came for lunch and brought the family, and we also had a wonderful little treat, a redneck egg roll.
The egg rolls, they're one of our staple items. They are played on a traditional egg roll with pork barbecue in it for good old Southern North Carolina. Yes, it is a must-have.
It was phenomenal.
Well, this whole place is phenomenal. I love the interior of it, and because it looks like, a house. It has so much ambiance. But look, tell us a little bit about your patio, which everyone loves.
The patio is an incredible space. It is another dining room for us. It is that open-air patio. We have live music on the weekends in the summertime. That is the perfect time of year to enjoy it with the fall or Christmas in the air. We're in October. It is the fire pits outside. Enjoy your food and drinks and friends.
It
and
really
family.
is nice.
Absolutely.
Very, very nice. Something happened here very special a couple of weeks ago. Could you expand on that a little bit for us?
Absolutely. We were featured on Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives. It was an incredible experience. Guy and his team were here. Wonderful people, fun to work with. They featured 2 of our menu items on our episode. One was the redneck egg roll, which we just talked about. The other one is our shrimp Napoleon, which is famous in itself. Wonderful grit cakes, shrimp, tasso ham gravy. It is definitely a treat and a meal.
I saw it on TV, and it was fat.
So, Jason, along with these events and these yummy, yummy dinners, what do we got coming up?
Thanksgiving's around the corner.
Thanksgiving.
That is the big thing on the calendar. It is a huge day for us. We host a lot of people. It books up rather quickly. You need to make your reservations now to make sure you have a secure spot for us. We'll be offering a to-go option as well as our in-house menu. Floyd is still working on the menu as we speak. He'll have it finalized soon.
Mm-hmm.
And after then we'll know what we're offering, and then we'll know what we're charging for it. But we will be open from 11 to 6 that day, and you can make reservations by calling the restaurant. The thing is, we book out every year, which we're very thankful for. And the important thing is like people need to make the reservations now to make sure they have a guaranteed spot.
Have you already had people making the reservations?
It started a year ago.
Oh, so it's filling up, guys. So
It's
that
filling
means
up
it's
quickly.
time
Yes.
for everyone to start making these plans
Absolutely.
for Thanksgiving.
Yes. If you're like my mother, she plans Thanksgiving reservations the year in advance, kind of thing. So certainly.
Right, and that's the smart thing to do, because you know where you want to go. And
When you know where you want to go and you want to bring the whole family, that's certainly the smartest way. A lot of people, they make the reservations after they've eaten. They make the reservations for the next year.
Right.
do you have any availability left?
We do, absolutely. We're open 11 to 6 a day. A lot of availability open at this point is after 2 o'clock in the afternoon, but we can certainly, all party sizes, all families are welcome.
Well, it's a wonderful restaurant to make Thanksgiving memories and have a delicious.
And because it's an old historical type home here in downtown
It
Morehead,
has
you do
some-
feel like you're in someone's home having lunch.
Yeah, it's got so
And
much
that is
ambiance.
such a cozy feeling, especially like at Thanksgiving. I mean, you would want to have that cozy feel.
It definitely has a lot of ambiance.
Well, that's one of the things that pulled Floyd to this restaurant when he originally purchased it with his wife Shanna 16 years ago. When they walked in and looked at the place for the first time, Floyd got goosebumps and said, "This reminds me of my grandmother's house in New Bern," and that's what sold him on this building. So
Well, and what a
that
great,
deal.
great thing he has done
Absolutely.
with it. Anyway, we digress. Y'all have a great weekend and thank you. And remember, along with this post, is going to be some other places that you can make reservations for Thanksgiving. It will be in the description. So happy Thanksgiving early and make your reservations. Have a great weekend.
Bye.
Bye-bye.